In front of me is Sharp Aquos R2, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you need to reach your phone dialer, tap on More icon and go to the settings. Now just pick blocked numbers, and you can smoothly block some particular number by tapping on Add a number. Here you need to enter the particular number, tap on Yes, and that's it. From now on this contact will not be able to reach you. And then whenever you'd like to remove some number from your blacklist, just click on this cross icon, confirm that you would like to unblock it, and from now on you will receive calls and messages from this number. So that's it, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.